Hello everyone, welcome today in the daily newspaper of Thursday, April the 14th, 2022. We have only one regular Sudoku, and it's a Sudoku Medium. There are no extra puzzles or additional in today's newspaper. Let me show you. No extra puzzles. So not so good news for the people who like Sudokus or puzzles. What I will do is I will continue with the edition of yesterday. Yesterday's edition of Wednesday. Wednesday, April the 13th. Here we have the April 13th edition. April the 13th, we have 3 puzzles left. Letter Sudoku, 2 stars, and the tectonic. So alright, no extra puzzles. But first we will solve this Sudoku Medium. And what's the news of today? Well, the news of today, I heard there's a rocket launch in Ukraine, and the Russian warship is on fire. Maybe it will sink or sunk. Yes, it's sunk. Yeah. So Russian warship, I cannot believe this, but I think a few weeks ago, the Russian warship has captured people in Snake Island, I believe, and they yell at the radio, "Russian warship, go fuck yourself!" Yes, and now they pay for the war in Ukraine. So I hope the warship will sink and the war will be ended. Anyway, let's get started with this regular Sudoku Medium. This will be number 4406. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, this one has 27 printed digits. And if you compare with the 1 star, 2 stars, 3 stars, and the 4 star Sudokus, this will be a 1 star. For 1 star, I need to be faster than 50 minutes. We will see. So let's get started. Alright, let me position the camera first. Alright, so let's get started. 6 in this column, 6 in the middle column, so the column next down, only 3 places left for the 6 should be here, or there. We see there's 6, no 6 there, here 6, no 6 there. The only place left for the 6 should be there. Then. Let me see, I cannot continue with the 6 now. Need to wait. How about 9. 2. 5. We have a pair. The 1 and the 5 in this column. The 1 and the 5 in the middle column. So the column next, the only 2 places left for the 1 and 5 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 1 and a 5, 1 and a 5. Alright. So 4 missing numbers now in this column. One of the missing numbers is a 2. We see here 2 in this big square. So no 2 in these 2 boxes. So the 2 could be here, could be there. Well, we see it there, another 2. So no 2 there. 2 should be here. 2 numbers left in this big square. For numbers 1, the 2, the 3, the 4 is missing. The 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, and the 9 is missing. 4 and the 9, 4 and the 9. Let me mark those 2 boxes. Okay, 4 and the 9. Then. 4 missing numbers in this big square. 2 of those missing numbers are the 7 and the 9. We have a 7 and a 9 in this row, so no 7 and 9 in these 2 boxes. The 7 and the 9 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 7 and 9, 7 and 9. You see there's 7, no 7 there. 7 should be here and a 9 goes there. Now we have a 9 there, so this box can be 9 anymore. That box should be a 9, and this box should be a 4. 1 box left in this column. For the number, the 1, the 2, the 3 is missing. 1 box left in this big square for number 1, 2, 3, the 4 is missing. Alright, 1 in this row, 1 in the middle row, so the row above. The only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. We see that 1, no 1 there, 1 should be there. 7 in this row, 7 in that row, so the row between the middle row. The only 2 places left for the 7 should be here or there. We see that 7, no 7 there, 7 should be there. Alright. 4 missing numbers now in this big square. 2 of those missing numbers are the 2 and a 4. We have a 2 and a 4 in this row, so no 2 and a 4 in these 2 boxes. The 2 and a 4 goes in those 2 boxes. As a pair, 2 and a 4, 2 and a 4. We have a 4 there, so no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 2 goes there. Now we have 2 missing numbers in this big square. For numbers 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5 is missing, and the 6 is missing. 5 and a 6, 5 and a 6. We see the 6. No 6 there. 6 should be here, and the 5 goes there. So now in this column, 6 missing numbers. 3 of those missing numbers are the 1, the 6, and the 7. We have a 1, and 6, and a 7 in this big square, so no 1, and a 6, and a 7 in these 3 boxes. The 1, and the 6, and the 7 goes in those 3 boxes. Let me mark those. 1, 6, and a 7. Okay. Then. Let me see. 7 in this row, 7 in the row above. So that row, only 2 places left for the 7 should be here or there. We see there 7, no 7 there, 7 should be there. Then. 2 numbers left. In this column, the middle column, those missing numbers are the 1, the 2 is missing, and the 3 is missing. 2 and a 3, 2 and a 3. We have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 2 goes there. 3 in the last row, 3 in a row above. So that row, the only 2 places left for the 3 should be here or there. We see there 3, no 3 there, 3 should be here. 3 in the last column. 3 in the column next, so that column, the only 2 places left for the 3 should be here or there. We see there 3, no 3 there, 3 should be here. 3 in this row, 3 in the middle row, so the row above, the only 2 places left for the 3 should be here or there. We see there 3, no 3 there, 3 should be here. 3 in the first column, 3 in the third column, so the column between the second column, the only 3 places left for the 3 should be here or there. We see there 3, no 3 there, here 3, no 3 there, the only place left for the 3 should be there, and all the 3's are used. I can see digit number 1, number 3. 1 number left in this row for number 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8 is missing. 1 box left in this row for number 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6 is missing. 6 in the third column, 6 in the first column. So in the column between the second column, the only 2 places left for the 6 should be here or there. We see there 6, no 6 there, 6 should be there. I've marked these 3 boxes with the 1, the 6, and the 7. Well, we have a 6 here, so this box can be 6 anymore. That here also a 6 in the second row, so no 6 in that box also. So 1 box left for the 6 should be there. So these 2 numbers should be the 1 and the 7. 1 and the 7, 1 and the 7. We see there's 7, no 7 there. 7 should be here, no 1 goes there. 7 in the third row, 7 in the second row. So in the first row, the only 2 places left for the 7 should be here or there. We see that 7, no 7 there, 7 should be there. And all the 7s are used. I can see. Digit number 2, number 7. How about the 6? And all the 6s are used. I can see. Digit number 3, number 6. All right. Then. How about these are 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing number in this big square is the number 9. We see here 9 in the third row, so no 9 in these 3 boxes here. 9 in the first column, so no 9 in those 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 9. Should be there. 9 in this column, third column, 9 in the first column. So the column between the second column, the only place left for 9 should be there. 2 numbers left in this big square. For numbers 1, the 2 is missing, the 3, the 4, and the 5 is missing. 2 and a 5, 2 and a 5. We have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 5, it goes there. Alright, then. Let me see. Yeah. 9. Yeah. How about 3, 4, 5. The 8. Ooh, now I need to think. 1, 2, 3, 4, 8, and a 9. 8. Yeah, one number left in the first row. For number 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8 is missing. For 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 4. We see here 4 in the last column, so no 4 in these 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 4 should be there. 2 numbers left in this big square. 4 numbers are 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5 is missing. The 6, the 7, the 8, and the 9 is missing. 5 and a 9, 5 and a 9. We have a 9 there, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and a 5 it goes there. 5 in the third row, 5 in the first row, so the row between the second row, the only place left for the 5, it should be there. 4 in the third column, 4 in the second column, so the first column, the only place left for the 4, should be there. 2 numbers left in this big square. For numbers 1 is missing, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, and 8 is missing. 1 and 8, 1 and 8. We have 8 there, no 8 there. 8 should be here, now 1 goes there. 8 in the third column, 8 in the second column. So the first column, the only place left for the 8 should be there. 2 numbers left in this column. 4 numbers are 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8 is missing, and the 9 is missing. 8 and a 9, 8 and a 9. We have an 8 there, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and the 9 goes there. 9 in the first row. 9 in this row. 9 in the row below. So last row, the only place left for the 9 should be there. These 2 numbers are reserved for the 1 and the 5. 2 numbers left in this big square. 4 numbers 1, the 2, the 3, the 4 is missing. The 5, the 6, the 7, and 8 is missing. 4 and 8, 4 and 8. We have 8 there, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and a 4. It goes there. 8 in this row, 8 in the row below. So last row. Oh, we already have an 8 here. 4 in the last row then. 4 in the row above. So that row, only place left for the 4 should be there. 2 numbers left in this big square. 4 numbers 1, the 2 is missing. The 3, the 4, and the 5 is missing. 2 and a 5, 2 and a 5. We have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 5 goes there. 2 in the last row, 2 in a row above. So that row, only 2 places left for the 2 should be here or there. We see that 2, no 2 there, 2 should be here. 1 box left in this column for the number 1. Now we have a 1 here, so this box can be 1 and more. That box should be a 1 and this box should be a 5. And the final number of this big square for the number 1, 2, 3, 4, the 5 is missing. Finish in 40 minutes. Told you, faster than 15 minutes I need for a 1 star. And I like this one. Yes, I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file, so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching. And I will continue later on in the evening with the rest of the puzzles in the yesterday's edition. Yes. Well, great news, Russian Warship. Yeah, it remind me over the radio, Russian Warship, go fuck yourself. And the Russian Warship is sunk, or almost sunk, is on fire, but alright, thank you, and see you later. Until then, bye-bye for now.